Hey guys, wanted to jump on here and show you this ECOTRIC 6-inch drop axle lift kit. Let's just take a look at what we've got here. So you can see this was just put on this golf cart right here, and it was super easy to do. It probably took, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. Here we go. Let's see. Look and see here. That's what it looks like underneath. And again, this was super easy. I'm gonna come out here a little bit so you can see the lift. So there you go. And yeah, I mean, this thing is really, really cool. Before the lift kit, this was just, I mean, it was regular height. This lifted it about 6 inches, and it's perfect, just like this. So you can see here, this is part of the lift kit right there. Yeah, really good buy.